can't start without that. Coffee! Coffee, 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 coffee. Where did I leave you? Coffee. I found it. Coffee. Ugh. Oh, that's a rough start. But don't worry, I got my coffee. We're good. Oh yeah, there's a fresh pod if you want more coffee. Okay. So yeah, what we're gonna do besides drink coffee? Yeah. Pipeline validation tooling continued. I made a little bit of progress on this last week, I guess. Maybe the holidays make dates and times kind of fuzzy. I'm hoping GitHub is back up. And we can go there. Okay. Let's go ahead and switch to live mode. We're gonna go ahead and update this. Echo something. Okay, yeah. Pipeline validation tooling continued. Yay. Okay. Yay, magic. Okay. So we're gonna go here. That's not super promising. Oh, right. Yeah, there was that thing this morning. Okay, yeah. Git diff, git push. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna actually quickly make a PR. Actually, no, I can do that. I can do that after. Yeah, let's do the pipeline validation stuff. I should do that. Okay, cool. December 24th was the last time I worked on that, apparently. Okay. Hopefully it was on this machine. Cool. Looks like it is. Any files I didn't check in? Those all look pretty reasonable. I am going to add some things to the git ignore here. Okay, yeah. Project / target / dot bloop and dot metals, because we were trying to get metals working the other day. Okay, cool. Build directories for Scala. Build directory for Scala. Metals / enzyme. Okay, cool. Update git ignore. Do we have a Travis CI? I think I started this. Oh, no, damn it. I thought I bootstrapped this project, but it looks like if I did, we don't bootstrap a Travis file, which is unfortunate. Because I do want a Travis file for this. Okay, Spark validator, which is like an older version of this. It has a Travis file. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty legit. That's not the version of SPT we're using in this one. Which version of SPT is it that we're using? Or it's... okay, no, Scala. That's what I meant. 2.11.12. Okay. Add a CI file. All right. Cool beans. Cool beans. Let's do that. Okay. Where did we leave off? Is there a test directory? There is. Cool. Why is there a Scala to I hate software. Okay. Oh yeah, we add the flight recorder stage metrics thing to it. And this is to collect the metrics that we're going to use for pipeline validation. So that passed. That's good. It means it didn't crash. Next thing we're gonna do. Ah! Fudge. Did not mean to do that. Exited my Emacs. Normally I have enough files that I haven't saved my changes to. That not a problem, but that's okay. I think Metals is still not quite happy with my setup, and last time I spent a bunch of time with Metals, and that was cool and all, but I don't know. Don't really care. Okay, so here we go. Right now, this string-utils write serialized JSON thing, that's cool and all, but I want to know if I have a valid Spark context, right? This to-do note here. So the way we're going to do that is... and because I am terrible at remembering the Spark APIs, which ones are private or public, because I spend far too much time working inside of the Spark project. Oh, cool. That looks happy. We can just go ahead and say... Actually, yeah, it doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter if we make a new one. I think. So that's fine. Spark context dot get or create. Do. Okay. And then what we'll do is we can get rid of this shit here. A target dir is going to become HDFS, or like a HDFS magic path. I think. What was I gonna do? Fuck. Okay, I think we can get rid of this. And the string-utils write serialized JSON thing. Let's go ahead and take a look at how that thing is doing. This is like CERN flight recorder. Okay, do I have Spark measure checked out on this machine? I don't. Spark. No, I don't. Okay. Oh, cool. Is this a fork of something? I mean, I would sort of expect... No. Well, this is a cool picture. Is this a fork of... Oh. I guess it says there's no fork. Okay, do I have a fork of it? I don't. Well, hopefully we don't need to do anything. So we're going to start out with the optimistic thing of not forking the repo and just cloning it. So I can, like, explore it with my Emacs and be happy. We can rewrite the remotes later if it turns out that I want to do bad things. Cool. And, okay, cool. CERN-util. Ugh, they don't. Damn it. Okay. Really? Wait, what? Oh, it's not called CERN-utils because I renamed it. No, it's utils test. Okay. Now what I want. Okay, utils.scala. Yeehaw. Okay. Right, serialized JSON. Oh, wait, is the metrics data... The metrics data is of type any? Ooh. Okay. Oh, here we go. Yeah, right, serialized JSON. Where's our object writer? Is there like a to.json where I can just get this or convert it to a data frame? Okay, yeah, let's go take a look. There's like data frame. Cool. No, that Optimistic. Yeah. This is an interesting thing, but we're not going down that path for today. Yes. Right. That gives me software. Oh hey, they're using the rainbow logo from when the Spark project had the little pride thing. It made me happy. That was nice. I mean, yeah, I found that nice. I'm gonna double check that it's working on YouTube, just because not super magic software buttons. Yeah, okay, it says live now. So it looks like it's working. It's just that restream is again being a little weird, because it's showing me that no one's watching, but then YouTube is showing me that a bunch of people are watching. So that's fine. It's just the magic of software. Okay, get back to this. So we got a Spark context. Don't want to write it to a local file system though, because I want to put it somewhere more useful. Ooh. I don't want to pretty print it. Is there like a /src? Okay. Object mapper. Well, at least it's public. So the object writer. Okay. So writer dot write value write serialized JSON. Yeah, okay, so then we're gonna give it buffer, then we're gonna make val dist is equal to parallelize buffer to string dist dot save as text file, and then we give it the path, full path. Okay, cool. Super happy fun times. Maybe. Let's go with a solid maybe. Okay, buffer is stuff. So Jackson's object mapper write to string. Okay. Jackson object mapper write to string. Yeah. Don't know what I'm doing. This is fine. Oh, it just has write value as string. That's much easier. Val JSON string is equal to string utils object writer write value as string stage metrics data JSON string. Okay. I'm gonna cheat. We're gonna parallelize it, and we're gonna ensure that it just ends up as a single file, because we don't actually need the parallelism. We just want to write it out to HDFS nicely. Okay. Let's see what happens when we run the test. We can get rid of clean. Cool, doesn't work. That's weird. Oh, cannot call methods on a stopped Spark context. Okay, so this is cool and all. But it's not quite what we want. And this is the thing which we had the problem with earlier, is that inside of the Spark context, there was the part where we're shutting down def stop. Wait, yeah, there was def stop, right? Okay. So goes to the listener bus. The problem is we set it to stop and then we call the shutdown hook. And the problem is we need to get notified before the shutdown hook happens, or after the Spark context is all the way gone away. So what we're gonna do is require people call us before application, and warn if we haven't been called. Var called is equal to false. Do we have a logger here? We'll find out in a second, I guess. Yeah. Metrics written, yeah. Metrics written, logger warn, application end received prior to writing metrics. Yeah, seems reasonable. And then here, def write metrics. Write the metrics out. Write the application metrics out. Must be called prior to exiting. Kind of a hack, but so word count test.scala, and then yeah, okay. Object flight recorder stage metrics. What happens if I make this an object? Will it be okay? okay? No, because it needs a conf. Yeah, okay. Object, flight. So we just want to make sure that we can get at this easily. Dot, we'll just call this recorder instead. Of type. Can I do this? Recorder dot for each. Right metrics. Okay, let's see if this will let us do that or not. All right. Metrics written. Oh yeah. Okay. True. Oh. Okay. If not, metrics written. What's the other thing? I don't have a logger. That's fine. Oh. Keep capitalizing stuff because I switch between languages too often. Oh, wait, no, but I said this is... Oh, okay, equals none. There we go. Sure. Okay. Logger.warn. Okay. There's no logger. We want to get logger. How did we... Okay, what? Wait, I have an empty file called logging.scala. Wait, what? Okay. Wait, can I just... Okay. I guess. Yeah, okay, logging is not... So how does this thing compile? Like, this is... I remember now. Okay. Wait. Oh. I misspelled logging? Oh. Oh, that's bad. Okay. Well, what branch am I on? Git checkout master. pull. Okay. Just while we're here. Oops. Git mv. Logging.scala. Spelling of logging. Okay. That's fine. I mean, it's not really. But, okay, whatever. So then, yeah, we'll get rid of this import, because it's not how you do it anymore. We'll deal with... well, what logging did they use in Spark Measure? Log... nope. Let's see which logging they used here. Grep -ri log /src. Okay. Yeah, okay, we just use SO for J. Yay. Yeah. I wonder if we will. Yeah, okay. So that's that, and then we go logger.1. Okay. Yep. Private lazy file logger. Okay. And then logger.1. Okay. No, yeah, we don't extend logging anymore. That's true. Okay. That ostensibly passed. Which, that's cool and all. Okay, let's go take a look at temp metrics. Okay, let's delete the directory, see what happens. We're gonna again. Ah, not what I wanted. Okay. Cool. Looks like it worked. Kinda. Ooh. Oh. Huh. Oh, right. That's because we did, okay. Oh. List of strings. So we'll just, yeah, make it a list. So element inside of it. Cool. Run that again. It's not great. We can fix it later, though, I guess, or something. Cool. That looks great. Or at least good enough for me. So that's cool and all. So word count test. So we run this. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go sc.stop. And then what we're going to want to do is... okay. Okay. Def run word count. Okay. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to run word count, and we'll go ahead, save the results out. stop the spark context. Then, okay, so that's a simple one. Then we're going to go ahead. One word count. Stop the spark context. Start the spark context. Spark context dot get or create. Word count with stop words remove. One word count 2x and validate similar metrics. Okay, cool. So that's the flight recorder thing down. So that's cool. Validation. Simple historic validator.scala. Yep. Cool. Oh, okay. Ah, god damn it. Okay, thank God. Validation. Let's comment. This goes down with the class. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna want actually, we're gonna want a Spark session, or did I bet you that Spark dot SQL dot Spark session. Okay. Class simple historic validator. Yeah, whatever for now. Case class. It's a list of I kind of want to steal some things from the Spark Validator project. I mean, and steal is like really, it's more, I want to reuse some of my code because like, I don't actually know if I want to. There's a pull request? Oh, not a bad idea. Okay. That being said, though, let's go take a look here. We don't want protobufs. Protobufs are sadness. Okay. Well, we had these validation rules. I guess. Maybe we can just reuse these. What was the type of historic data? Okay. I think we could just use this validation. Hey, how's it going?
Cute.
Oh yeah, no, I like that. Okay. No, that's a really cute sweater.
Okay, I'm going through my closet.
Oh, that's legit. I've been meaning to go through my. Yeah, do you want to come in and say hi? I think there's like no one watching, but someone might watch the recording. We'll switch into the talking view. Yeah. This is my wife.
Hi,
This is my cute sweater.
Yeah, I think is really cute. Like, look at
It
at
got
that.
in the back of my closet.
Yeah, it's nicer than most of my sweaters.
Do you wear sweaters?
I have like all of these hoodies from tech companies, but like I don't wear them because I live in the mission and I enjoy not getting stabbed. Or more accurately, like I live in the
Yelled
mission and I don't want to get yelled at. Yes, not
yeah,
stabbed.
You're not gonna get stabbed.
No. Although I think most people, when they see me wearing a tech company hoodie, assume I acquired it in a flexible manner. But it's not true. They're all from companies that I actually worked at. But like, I don't know.
No,
Like,
sometimes they just give them to you when you like go to a conference or a talk.
oh yeah, but I don't normally keep those ones. Or
Oh.
like, I kept my Foursquare hoodie. I have my like 2 Google hoodies.
I thought you had one from someone that was nice, so you kept it. I don't remember what it was.
Maybe.
I might be thinking of that backpack instead.
Oh yeah, that's a really nice backpack too, and they're really nice people. The DataStax people were super friendly. I mean, they still are. I see some of them every year.
They have good swag.
And they have good swag. They do. That was for their like fancy conference though. Like that was the DataStax conference.
Okay.
And like so they like that wasn't like you go up to their booth and they give you a like backpack. That was like you give them several $1,000s to go to their conference and they give you a backpack.
Oh, it was like the Salesforce one.
Yeah. Except I didn't give them several $1,000s. I gave them a talk, which we could pretend is of equivalent value.
I feel like that's more valuable. Maybe, I don't know.
If my boss is watching, definitely. But it's okay. He doesn't watch.
This is Sock.
Yeah.
Sock can see herself on the screen.
Yeah. I like this. I'm really sad I lost the one from High Performance Spark. I should email them and ask them if they'll send me another one. Do you think they would?
Yeah, I don't remember if you got one.
No, I definitely did.
It's just lost.
It got lost in a move, right? I think. Or something.
I can tell them.
Yeah, I'll ask them. I also owe them a blog post, though, so maybe I'll finish the blog post and ask them when I finish it. I've owed it to them for about 1 year.
Oh, girl.
But,
Maybe
like-
that's why. When did High Performance Spark come out?
Oh, like years ago.
Oh.
Or maybe about a year ago. Alexa,
We were
when
living
was High
here.
Performance Spark released?
Here's something I found on Wikipedia. Minutes to Midnight is the 3rd studio album by American rock band Linkin Park.
Oh, that's a little on the nose. I don't know. Writing a book does make me listen to Linkin Park.
No,
No.
reading is not a book.
Hey, Sock. Yeah. Okay, I might get back to writing software if it's okay.
Okay, I'm
Is that
sorry.
okay? No, I like it when you stop in. It distracts me and it's good because I'm like not sure what I want to do about this. Java temporal chronofield. Like what the? I don't know what I was thinking. This is from like January 31st, 2018. Shit.
That's like a week ago.
No,
that's
that's
like
a-
4 days ago.
No, it's 2019.
Oh.
That's like almost a year ago.
Oh, I got confused about the month. Normally that's your job.
You got confused about the year.
No, 'cause
Okay.
December 31st of 20.
It's oh,
18,
okay.
it was like last
Yeah.
week.
So it's actually really the last time I touched it. Beyond fixing style issues was October 27th, 2015. And since then, it's I fixed some style issues with it, but like I didn't do shit.
Were we dating then?
2015? Yeah, because
Oh,
we've been
yeah.
married for like 2 years,
Oh, yeah. I don't know how many years.
almost. Wait,
No,
is
we've
it
been
2
married
years
a little
now?
bit more than 2 years.
Oh shit! Oh
Yeah.
fuck, we forgot.
No, you were in London or something.
Yeah,
I
I'm
love
sorry.
you.
I love you too. I'm gonna probably also be gone this year, but just like last year, I'll be home for at least one of our anniversaries.
I love
love you.
the benefit of having 3 or 4 anniversaries. You can,
Friday before Pride.
yes, I'll be home that day. Okay, love you too. I'm gonna get back to writing software. Okay. So yeah, so these validation rules, like, they give you a way to express the rules that you care about. So maybe we'll just take these in. I'm not. Well, whatever. Let's start with this. Let's do a get diff. Okay, no. Over here. Okay. Yeah. Write results out to distributed or local storage, e.g. use the Spark context. For now, this requires that people manually call write metrics. We could hack the internals to allow us to do some silly things if we need to. But let's save hacking the internals for once this works. Okay, cool. Good start. Okay, so simple historic validator, validation. Oh no, not what I wanted. Fuck. Slash. Okay, whatever. Validation rules dot scala. Validation rules for the Spark validator, now copied into the Spark data validator. Pipeline validation. Okay, let's go pipeline validation rules based on so this is all like index sequenced, which is not what I want to give. So okay, let's do this. Get diff, get this, get add, validation rules, get import initial validation rules from Spark validator to use asset base. Except I don't really want to use index sequences of historic data. So what we're gonna do current job ID is going to become a string. Historic data is going to become a data frame, data set. For now, it's going to be type underscore. So a non-historic validation rule would be just this. And what we would do is we would go... Oh, yeah. Validate historic data dot filter historic data dot can I do this? I know I can do this in Python. Okay, yeah, we'll call this one all historic data. Yeah, whatever. Historic data. And we'll save the abstract average rule. That sounds fine. And or okay, we'll get rid of everything else. For now, just because I'm lazy. History. Okay. Sure, that looks reasonable. Oh, although before we do that, okay, yeah, so let's go back into the shit. Spark session dot get our create. It's complicated. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll get a session. Except we'll go dist dot 2df basic df is equal to dist dot 2df val no, we'll call this raw df. Okay, yeah, because I want to go data set dot okay, JSON. Not quite what I want. I want to go from a data set of type string. So there's functions.scala from JSON. Parse df is equal to dist dot select from Oh, cool. Ooh. Do we have to give it a schema? Okay, I guess from JSON, raw df dot whatever. What is it? My brain is made of cheese and coffee right now. Call. Okay, yeah, raw df.call. I think it's value. Because we're gonna do some pre-aggregation. We're also gonna store the non-aggregated raw metrics df parsed metrics parsed to do aggregate some of them. Right, I think. I want to, maybe we're already doing the aggregation. I don't think we are. Okay. That's like metrics, sum. Yeah, we're not. Okay, so what we've got this nice thing of all of the jobs, but we want aggregated metrics for all of the metrics that we care about. So we'll do that. Can I give some star? Aggregate everything? No, because doing that with the string columns would be not super useful. Okay, whatever. Well, let's I know that there's going to be a bunch of things that aren't going to work. Okay. Okay, simple historic validator. Simple historic validator for now. Val rules type list of type. I don't know. Yeah. List of type validation rule. Okay. I went into weird mode. Oh, no. Oh, yay. Okay. Wait, what? Validation rule is line 24. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay. Cool. org.apache.spark.sql.spark session. Okay. Spark session. Here's the builder. Okay. Builder.getter create. So we import the implicit conversions. Oh, cool. So it's not dist, it's raw metrics df. Okay, SQL implicits def 2. Okay, 2df rdd. Cool. Oh, right, we need to import those functions. And schema from JSON. Oh, schema of JSON. Ah! Nope. Okay. Okay. Raw metrics. Let's just call this raw metrics. We can drop the df on it. Parse metrics, and this system just raw metrics. Okay. Okay, yeah. Def right. So we go ahead and we call dot right, and we get back a data frame writer. Actually, yeah, I guess we want to write it into JSON. Yeah, okay, so dot format is now JSON, and now we call dot save. Kind of want to actually make 2 different data frames and save them to different paths. Okay. Val, we'll call this raw metrics path is equal to full path. Aggregated metrics path is equal to full path plus. Do I want to do that? Actually, what is full path? And not what we want to do. Okay. Val raw metrics path aggregated metrics path is equal to, okay. Yeah, okay. Let's do that. I feel like there's a better name. We'll call this job metrics path rather than raw metrics path. Okay, cool. Job metrics path, okay. Parsed metrics dot cache. Okay, cool, and then validation roles. Okay, hopefully we don't need that, I hope. Okay, org.apache.spark.sql.dataset. Oops. Dataset with dataset. Oh. Temporal field. We're going to get rid of this for now. Add this back in. Later. Oh, and historic data. Yes. Current job ID. We need to rewrite these rules. So we'll do that later. For now, we'll just return the string none. Why is this? This is not an abstract average rule. This is just straight up average rule. Oh. Yeah, let's make that a case class. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh yeah. Time. Okay. Okay. Time work. Just. This should be a. Let's make this a long to match. Returns job time. And we'll return timestamp. Whatever, for now. So, because the types don't match up, we're going to have to use, because we might not have a flight recorder, in which case we return an option. Okay, cool. Oh, yeah, this is actually some other rule. Where are we? Okay, historic. Oh, okay, cool. 21. Okay, we'll use the special overloaded operator. Val, job data. Job time will become runtime. Okay. Val, this run, df, this run df. Okay, cool. Cool. But so now this is current runtime. And we'll do some sort and filter thing. It'll be grade and fine or something. Okay. Oh. That's cool. Ah. Oh. Fuck, the thing that I used to... The testing thing that I'm using is kind of frustrating. I'm kind of lazy for today. For today, I guess. What's this thing called? Word count test. Run word count again and validate metrics and validate similar metrics. Ah, no. Okay, thank God. Just minimized it. Okay. So we'll not bother doing this. I do some weird stuff to reuse Spark contexts, which I don't want to do here, actually. I don't want the reuse one. We should use a different one, because the metrics won't actually be similar. Yeah. Schema must be specified. Wait, what? Schema of JSON. What? The fudgesicles. Please to be... Oops. Guess I need to take that one out. Oh well, whatever. We'll take it out in a second. What do I want to do here, though? Okay, let's write down the time so I can find it more easily. Okay. Not what I want to do. Not what I want. What did I want to do here? So yeah, let's run the metrics once. Oh well, okay. For now, we'll parameterize this on stop words later, or something. Or the third time we run it. Yeah, okay. The third time we run it, we'll give it something else, and then we'll validate that it's not similar to the two historic runs. It's a good idea. But why is this not doing what I want to do? Schema of JSON. Okay, let's go check functions.scala. What? Yeah. Okay. Schema of JSON takes in a column and ostensibly returns a column with a string literal containing the schema in DDL format, which is what we want, but wait, what? Schema of JSON. Oof. This error message is confusing to me, and this is what I do. Okay. Schema should be specified in DDL format as a string or output of schema of JSON function instead of schema of JSON. Okay. Maybe do this. This job metrics, job schema, job metrics, and then, okay, job schema. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what we want. Acceptance set. So, job metrics. So we want first element and the first row back, because there should only be one. What the fuck? Schema as a column. I don't. Collecting this back. Okay, so there's also a from JSON column schema. Oh, okay. Dot as string. Can't remember how to cast because it's been too long. As instance of? Okay, as instance of. Okay, options of type map. So I guess options in this case, could we say null? Really don't care. You know what? We're just gonna kick off a Spark shell and manually extract the schema. Spark art Spark. Oh, I guess I don't. Okay. I hope I have a good version of Spark built. Spark.shell. Because we still have metrics. Okay. Load, format, JSON. That's read load, I guess. Okay. Res2 dot. Oh, it's a corrupt record. Oh, right, because fudgesicles. Except Spark JSON multi-line. Spark JSON multi-line. Yeah. Okay. Option multi-line true. Option mode permissive. Okay. So we're gonna add these two options. Okay. res5.show. Cool. res5.schema. Is there this is closer to what I want, though. Scala shall print long, or I guess if we explicitly do this, cool. This is pretty close to what we want. So this will be our schema. Job schema. Wrote out df and then multi-line read plus inference get this. Okay, cool. Struct type list of, okay. Struct fields with, oh no, not what I want. Whatever. Do. Actually, wait, I wonder if there's a better way. Spark, JSON, RDD to data frame. Is there, there's gotta be, oh. Oh. Oh, that looks much easier. Let's do that. Geometrics. Well, actually, wait, yes. Except instead, what we do is we go session dot read dot JSON, and then we can give it an RDD. Right, I forgot that I could do that. That simplifies my life to a degree. Okay, let's go back here. Don't need the job schema thing anymore. Oh yeah, okay. So yes, this is just job metrics cache, job metrics write. Nope. Oh damn it! Not what I wanted. Did not want console. It's fine. We just wanted to run test. And now we're gonna aggregate it. Aggregate metrics, job metrics dot group by star. Oh. Oh, oops. Because we're running it multiple times, maybe, and we haven't changed the job. Shit. Because we're reusing the Spark context. Yes, this makes sense. Okay, so we need to disable reusing the Spark context. This just isn't going to work. But then we can still make some progress, although it's already 3:30. Okay. Group by. There's actually we can just directly do aggregate. Can we aggregate numeric columns? I remember there being a thing. Why is this private? Oh, that's almost what I want. So group by with no condition. So it looks like if we just numeric column. Oh wait, there's a... Yep, that's actually entirely what we want. We want the summary data frame for everyone. Switch from job metrics path to aggregated metrics path. Simplifies it. Oh. Looks like this is deprecated, and instead it wants us to do this. It wants us to convert it to a data set eagerly. .2df. Alright, yeah, we make it a data set typed in string. And then we don't. Cool. So that's good progress, I think. Where are we? Data pipeline. Okay. Write out metrics and let's do this as two separate commits. Write out metrics, aggregated, raw, and summarized. Validation rule, okay. Strip out bad validation rule. Don't stop the spark context mid test. And then we're going to go ahead and find the thing inside of the library that I wrote for myself. Just I have too many libraries. And we'll fix that up. Yes, cool. Yeah, sorry. Oh, hey. Missing from your last validation code change. I'm so sorry. It looks like the chat window stuff is broken and I haven't been seeing the YouTube chat messages again. Sorry, I thought the restream chat window was fixed. Both girls, how come she is my wife? 'Cause I'm gay, is the long and the short of it. Missing a from your last validate. Yes. Sorry about that. it looks like the chat is just garbage again. I thought I fixed the chat last time. I don't super understand. So if we go here, we go to chat, open in browser, because I don't know if Windows or Mac. Gives me this chat application. Test? I don't know. Did that work? Did not work. But it shows that it worked, which is super frustrating. Wait, but now it... I don't... whatever. I guess I'll just get a Twitch comment box and a YouTube comment box, and I'll just use those. And that'll be fine, I think, or something. Pop-up chat. Okay. Always on top. Okay, that'll just... For now, this will hopefully just work. Sorry about that being a thing. Yeah, I guess maybe if I go here and put in, let's try this. Okay, well, not perfect for now, but it'll work, and I'll tweet at the restream people that the YouTube chat seems to not be working again. Hey, restream IO. I deleted and reinstalled the YouTube events plugin, and chat worked once, but now it's broken again. But now I'm not seeing incoming messages again. Richard, what's up? Cool. Okay. So yeah, sorry about that, and I'll just keep an eye on this for now. What was I doing? Right. Don't stop. Spark context mid test. Oh, right. I need to find a new thing. Where is my thing? Right. Spark testing base. Do I have per test sample test? Yeah, this is the one that we're going to use. So instead, we're going to use per test spark context. So that's the one that we want. Word count test. Cool. Okay, we're going to go ahead and run this test. Damn it. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, right. Okay, my imports are probably... Yes. There we go. Cool. That worked. Very exciting. I mean, oh. Yeah. Let's add a test where we validate the metrics. validate metrics. So okay. Equal to temp metrics, word counts. Then we're gonna go over here. The simple historic validator val input path is going to be type string. New simple historic validator input path simple rule. So we're going to give it the simplest rule I can think of for now. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Let's go take a look. I forgot to check a thing. Metrics, word count. Yeah, okay. Looks like we don't for in the I'm gonna add another to-do to myself because it'd be better to get this working before I run away to my appointment. Just because, yeah, that would be better. What was I doing? My memory is... It's the first day back in my defense, although I guess I wasn't really all that gone because I worked a fair amount last week anyways. But, oh yeah, okay. Flight validation. To-do, hold on. Get accumulator info as well, because that's really where most of the stuff is going to be. Yeah, okay. So then our validation rules. Okay. Class. Is there? Okay. Absolute. Okay, cool. Class absolute value rule. Class val counter name low option long high option long. And then so cool. And then what we're gonna do here is absolute value rule. Value rule. We're just going to do this on aggregated data. So current.filter. Okay, val aggregate data is equal to current.filter. Is that how we want to do it? Because the types are going to be really quite different. Historic job data set and historic aggregate data set. Aggregate data. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is current dot select current dot call counter name and then dot collect dot get dot collect val counter value dot get okay. Exception. Okay, it's counter value dot get get or else new exception could not find counter $sign counter name. Sure. Counter value option. Throw no exception. Okay, and then if okay, low dot for each counter value is greater than low v if counter is less than low v, throw new exception counter $sign counter name is less than lower bound of returning the option is just return throws on error. Nah, it's up to you to handle this however you want. Okay, okay. Okay. Otherwise, it's fine. Okay, let's go ahead and run the test. See what happens. Cool. Wait, what? Low dot for each. Okay, I guess we still need the equal sign. Oh, it's one or the other, right? Okay, historic aggregate data, line 22. Oh, yeah, those types are not matching up. Historic job data and historic aggregate data. Aggregate data. Historic aggregate data. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, it's almost 4. Why did it stop taking keyboard input? Oh, fuck. Tiring. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. What? You say that this does not exist, but it should. My spelling's bad, but okay, cool. Oh, counter value option. Okay. Counter counter value option. Counter. Okay, counter value. I should get a resolution error here, actually, so we shouldn't need that. 0.get string, get long. Yeah. Should throw resolution error on bad counter name, to do wrap in nicer error message. Cool. Okay. So this is validate historic data, historic aggregate runtime, def, validate, class absolute value rule. Oh, let's go ahead. Extends no history validation rule. Cool. Oh yeah, average rule. Oh yeah, okay, so we now have a different type signature here. Throw new exception. Not implemented yet. Cool. So class simple rule. Yeah. Okay, wait, yeah. Val execution non-zero execution time rule is equal to new absolute value rule. Oh, the aggregate. Let's go take a look at some of the stuff that's output. Yeah, okay. Oh, shit. On a stick. Oh. Oh. We just saved the same data twice. Explain some things. Explain some things. do... Let's see if it gets the sum. Because we really do want the sum. So we don't... It's possible that we don't quite... simpler this way. Ugh. Cool. What? Why are there two of them? Oh, right. Because, yes, okay. Oh. Okay, well. That's not very useful. Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay, no. Okay, so that's the count. We've got count, mean, standard deviation, min, max, and the percentiles, which is almost what we want, but we also want the summation. So let's go over here, flight recorder metrics. So instead of summary, let's go. Oh wait, can I also? This is. Ooh, okay. Yeah, let's not depend on this. This does not look like it's going to be a party. So instead, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to call aggregate. Or no, group by. And okay, min, max, standard deviation, mean, count, sum. Cool. Do we need the percentiles? We might need the percentiles, actually. Okay, percentile. Entile 25, entile 50, and this is a window function. Yeah, I want percent rank. No. Percentile. Let's do this another day. There isn't a prox, right? There's a prox. Oh, just count distinct. Count distinct. Degrees, radians. There was an approximate percentile thing here earlier, but I guess. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Oh. Yeah. Oh, right. Yeah, this is what we want to do. I want to aggregate. There's, okay, what's that, a numeric example? Group, relational group data set. Oh, there's a function. Fuck yeah. Def. Damn it. It's private. Okay, def avg calls aggregate numeric columns with average, which is what we want to do. Aggregate numeric columns is private, so why is aggregate numeric column private? Okay, well, job metrics dot numeric columns schema dot filter is instance of numeric type schema struct type. Struct field. Okay. And then struct field. Field job metrics dot column field dot name. It's an internal ag numeric calls function. I wish it made public. Yeah. Oh yeah, no. Job metrics dot call field dot name. Okay. Arg.apache.spark.sql.types.argtype. Please work. Okay, cool. And so then val aggregates is equal to numeric columns dot flat map. Please tell me this column has flat map. Min column max column standard deviation column mean column count add account star. Yeah, okay, some column. Dot functions. Imports we're gonna use. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Aggregates. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm hungry. Thank you for the cookie. Now going off. We're going to use the splat operator. My favorite operator. Oh, sorry. You want to close the window? Is the window open? This actually works out okay. I think. Cool. Wait, that worked? Oh, right, it hasn't been saved. Yes. Run that again. Okay, cool. So we've got sums and stuff. So we could probably say execution time? Wait, what? Time. Oh, it's duration. Okay. Duration. So we can take a sum of the stage duration. This is okay, let's see if this works. Okay. Oh, right, okay. Validation rules. Okay, yep. Import. Fix these imports later. Famous last words, of course. Okay. Yep. Validation rules that fail. And just for a start, hopefully this throws, we get an exceptions, and go in, test it, make sure we get the, oh yeah, okay, I think I know what I want to do though. Oh, it's not failing. Okay, simple historic validator. Oh, that would be why. Validator.validate. Validator.validate. Equals none. Dot length equals 0. Yeah, sure. Or is 0. Yeah. Dot length is 1. Oh, yeah, okay. Def validate. And this is going to return a list of validation rule string returns the list of failing validation rules. So what we'll do, rules dot flat map rule dot validate data. Okay. Try accept case exception. Sum, so Okay, yeah. Except... job, data, and aggregate data. Job data I'm suspicious of all of my chat tools right now, so I'm just gonna pop in really quickly. Okay, cool. Nothing there. Anything here on Twitch? Yeah. Okay. No, we're good. Sorry, it was working like so well. But then it broke, because that's life. Okay, input path plus slash, whatever. Oh, we should do this. Somewhere nice, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. Oh, no, definitely not what we wanted. But it's work in progress, so it's fine. Actually, we want to do this. Let's give this a new sort of breakdown targeter. So that way if someone wants to read both of these, they still can, but this way, for people who are doing it the way that I'm gonna do it here, you can still get super happy fun times. Okay, input path plus type equals raw, I guess. Yeah. Okay, yes. Spark session dot builder dot get or create session dot read dot format JSON dot load. Okay. And what's the other one? Oh yeah, aggregate data. Cool. Temp metrics. Okay. Oh, yep. Time. Oh, yeah, okay. Cool. to do okay. Yeah, actually we should probably just call get inside of the flight recorder metrics. There's no particular reason to return along. Because if you ask us to save and we can't, we should probably throw an error anyways. Oh, okay, yeah, those Scala test matchers. Okay. Kind of a quick debugging hack. I'll just print line it and see what happens. Because I really want to get on the road because I got an appointment at 5. I'm going to double check that appointment real quick. Yeah, 5 is what I wrote it down for. Oh. Huh. Interesting. So what were the two metrics? Wait, why is it looking for job time? That should not be what it's looking for, unless I hard-coded that. Oh, yeah. Shite. Is it just time? Okay, it's just time. Okay. So then... Okay. I should rewrite this to use matchers they're more friendly. To do right with matchers. Historic job data, historic aggregate data, historic job data, historic aggregate data. So in this case, historic aggregate data. Okay, okay. Ah. Aggregated. There we go. I'm looking pretty close. What's going on here? Okay, validation results. Dot equals 1. Yeah, okay, we'll rewrite this in a little bit. to be nicer. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, that looks like what I would expect. So I would expect the length. Oh. Great. Okay. Okay, cool. So that's going to be it for today. Because I have to go find my socks because I lost one of them earlier. So it's a long story. Sorry about the chat issues, everyone. I'll talk with the restream people because I really don't want to write a chat bot myself. That sounds like 0 units of fun. Okay. Sure, all the files are here. Okay, cool. Let's see, need to add this. Okay, commit. Add a simple add basic validation and a lot of to-dos. So that's pretty good progress for today. Oh, I have that intro outro deck which I keep meaning to use. Let's go ahead and do that. It's, yes, and let's go ahead. Validator, cool. Okay, so Holden and Boo's super fun live stream. What we did today was pipeline validation, GitHub Holden K data pipeline validator. You asked questions, I didn't see them in time because restream was being complicated, but hopefully, I answered your questions and we'll fix it for next time so I can answer them more interactively. If you like this stuff, like, subscribe, and click the bell. I do a lot of live coding and a lot of live code reviews that I think are pretty interesting too, but I'm also pretty biased. In addition to, what we did today, I'm Holden. My preferred pronouns are she or her, and I'm a developer advocate at Google. I'm on the Spark PMC, and I contribute to a lot of other projects, and I work on a lot of just sort of random side projects for talks and stuff like that, where I think there's a need for better tooling. You can follow me on Twitter if you really want. Oh yeah, and if you have feedback, I have this feedback link. It's mostly focused towards talks, but please, if you have feedback, do give me feedback from the live streams, because I will read those and try and improve there too. In addition to who I am professionally, I am trans, queer. It's my wife is my wife, and I'm also a girl. Canadian in America on an H-1B work visa and part of the broader leather community. And these things aren't directly related to data processing in any way, but I think it's useful and important for those of us building machine learning or data processing tools to be aware of the communities that we're in and try and build diverse teams. And I think this is even more important in open source. Open source is going everywhere these days. It has the potential to make huge impacts in the world. And if we're just the same people as always, we'll just end up making the world faster and shittier. But if we have some diverse teams, maybe we can actually solve some new problems. And that's my mild optimism. So with that, thank you all for joining me. Sorry for the issues with the chat. And I hope to see you tomorrow. I think I'm doing something tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, I believe, which is my regular weekly code review. I think, yes. Let me check and see. Is tomorrow Friday? Alexa, what day is it? Fucking piece of shit. Echo, what day is it? What the fuck? Smart home. Everything's garbage. Oh, it's Wednesday. Okay. Tomorrow's Thursday. Oh, which means I'm going to be doing a live Apache Airflow code review. I hope it goes well. I'm not an Airflow committer, but I want to show that you don't have to be a committer to contribute by doing code reviews. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a lovely day. Bye.